Poppy Playtime Chapter 5.
Manner spilliallaqtin nariavut ullamikkumas aqqummernigo spillin nariavo.
What's wrong with them?
They're not wrong. They're wrong side out. You follow left hand in and you pull the left foot out. You're turning right direction when you put the ball out. Cuddly, adorable, but not quite what they say.
What a surprise!
Unstuff that grin and find that wrong side just within. They're the wrong side animals.
I want to marry Doodlebone! Or adventure with Bindle Boogie! You can even make your own!
The wrong side animals. Available now from your pals at Playtime.
Wow. Allaqtinniariuta qaasarsortilerernanga. Ai. Assaqaqaussuartlis pilleriaakku taaqaasarsortilluga allaqterieraanga qanu pisoqassanersoraasila nalunarsereerluni muuseqiviartaataamit nerungtamrisukkavalla. Ai. Lagos. Nunaratullian. Iya. Ngon na sana. Kumakawiyaw ba? Ah. Hindi biloksuta sukatsuro. Ay. Whoa! What do you do? What do you want? I cannot see. Ah, I see. Iruang siya bunga. Nirang ito. Akit po ko. Ay! Bye! Lagos! Apan? Saksa masiyulsang mas pililaka ako. Never. Lagos! 어느 순간 나봐. 에이! 남배. 마치 빵마? Si mau ko kakpo. Minakong ito may atwa nga sakta kano matutak ba ifi? Dawa?
An intercepted communique unknown sender number 1. They all go on, at great length, about this imagined future of theirs. It's exhausting. Their eyes are so set on a new chapter of history that they ignore the current one. Unknown sender number 2. Remember, we used to believe in that future too. Hard to turn down the prospect of a world where humanity lives without strife until the stars wink out. Unknown sender number 1. I never stopped believing. I just stopped ignoring the cost. Unknown sender number 2. One of the mind's many strengths, I suppose, its ability to ignore its own capacity for cruelty. Just have patience. Our deal with 1006 still holds, and I doubt he'd back out of it now. Unknown sender number 1. Good. Making preparations as we speak.
좋아. 나로아 수수각시만 없어. 기전이 까마짝바. 간다오 마보. Magtaktawaksana kama kisiyan suklikum ma. Ayun na. Ifik. Kamaniakan dito sa kamaktaktudan na o. 나는 지금 싸가양. Tuangasan ay dan antok. Ay.
Shipping Manifest, July 95 Associated Projects, Project Broader Horizons, U.S., Aratana Hajimari, Asia, Project Garden World, Playpark Official Note Team, we're on a rushed timetable here. BH is already 3 weeks behind schedule, and Playpark has needs we can't meet at current capacity. Overseas reps say their timetable is running behind. Keep overseas materials through 9/95 for safety. And remember to be delicate here. We don't want this to get on Rich's radar. 10,000x units of red corn poppy seeds, 20,000x units of PVC irrigation pipes, 10,000x units of fully organic compost, 100x minus 47k gallon corrugated steel water tanks, 1,000x units of poppy picker components, 100x rough terrain forklifts.
What? Sikutsioksimak pasipukisyanni. Akutsangera. Ang radana, tawag kisyan sa mga niyaktungan na. Tama, naungak sirayak no. Kasama ako sa kao ng ganda matasungan. I'm too smart! Minong ito, Mick. Nang niyak pa si Munak to. 나봐. Hockey rồi chơi à mấy Steam bị chụp sinh ngục bố. À nó cắt tổ nè. Hello. So. Hello. Amma. Nakapungan Bye. Hi. 같이 락신다오. 왜는 상하로. 나고 치자. 조각방어 남았나? 라라라라라 라라라라라 Xì pháp luôn á, trực xuyên luôn. Wow. 내려와서 기전리로 집보가신 라라라 라라라 라라란다 어이 바이 There goes. She. Ama bị shit tóc rồi. Just a moment. Open. Come on, open. Oh, okay. Ouch. Relax. اقششوجيت هاي Ako suwistok si mama. Nuan na ka sa kakpunga sinaktamik. Kisiyan na sa kurok ko nakpunga. Ay? Wow. Nothing siya pa. Ah. Kinadakaman ganaron eh. Sa may susasak ako ng ginamatang siya mo yung aksanaan. Spiller mo något sådär noe skremming i seg, Akpo. Dava. Så. Cannot see anything. What do you do? What do you want? What you want? Sino ako na? Ano? Wow! Okay. Bye-bye. Ha. Ito kung may pangasi. Ako, sinangin ako. Move it! You son of a bitch!
Who is that? Someone from above. Through the snow above. The judge said, can't trust the judge. Can't trust any of them, not like us.
Whee! Ah. Ising-isa kang po ang tasing komisyon. I told you. I cannot see. Okay. Bye-bye.
Who is that? Someone from above.
I don't know.
Snow above. The judge said, can't trust the judge. Can't trust any of them, not like us.
I couldn't path. Tersasusasivo. Stumay ano, ising-isa ka naman ito ko na kaya sa komikisuwa ka. So, tama, masakwakan po. Kaya nakatimuki. Akakpi nga nung ito komisiliswag.
Someone from above.
Ah!
Snow above. The judge said, can't trust the judge. Can't trust any of them, not like us.
Ising-isa kang nama? Aloy?
Automol branding note: Leith has asked us to remove any wrong-side Automol's branding from our workspace, murals, cutouts, etc. Apparently, they focus tested very poorly, and it's been decided they won't be going into production. The whole toy line is getting scrapped. I wouldn't rush to do it, though. Remember, Leith made the same request about Daisy, and she's still plastered all over the place.
Sì, wow. Eh! Ui, ako na ba tukso? Singisakangge pungatasin ko mission. Alis sisang rakput. Up. Saan ni tungo sa kape? Bye-bye! Taba! Nervoso susukangas. Video niya mo yakling kita nga. No, not audio. I cannot see anything. Ayo. Where am I? Isingsiya kang ingan. At siyang irakpong ko. I cannot see anything. I'm not stupid.
Find your own.
Oh. Bye-bye. Nervoso na siya. Cool. 나 정신 났어. Come on, picking on. What do you do? Ah. Hello? What's your name? Ah, flashback. Yay! Một số ngon. Sikutseqarnerus misissueqqaartarlunga. Bye. 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 I got flashbang. How are you today? Ay.
Work procedures, recycling and reclamation. Attention new employees. Managerial note. All first-time employees, please follow these procedures absolutely to the letter. Our work is both sensitive and vital to the success of the operation. Please follow these instructions to the letter. Step number 1. Ensure cleanliness from decontamination. Specimens mustn't be infected with outside contaminants. Step number 2. Wear all required hazmat hardware. Step number 3. Acquire specimens. Step number 4. Clean specimens. Ensure blood, stains, debris, teeth, etc. are all removed from the specimen. Step number 5. Using proper tools, carefully remove the specimen's skin, being cautious not to damage valuable tissue beneath. When necessary, use the dethreader. Step number 6. Distill the specimen. Warning: this is the messiest stage of the process. Work procedures, recycling and reclamation. Step number 7. Collect extracted poppy gel in specialized containers. If we're out of containers, please let me know. Step number 8. Dispose of the remnants in the boilers. Handwritten. My advice: use the term specimens when referring to your work. Believe me, you'll sleep a lot easier if you do. Sincerely, North Geisler.
많이 약산수술사각시몽 혹시 또가 안 이렇게 시였니? 나랑 막 신나하니? 자보지 뭐. What you say? B. Hey! Kiss mama, ba-da-ba. Come on. What up? Walkie walkie. Ba. Walkie walkie. Somebody here. Api. Ay. Ang gratis yung aktusasyon na nagkakakang na yan nga. Anong nga ako tsakso nga kisya na misisyo kakta kaya kasyo nga? Hinosan na minitakangin na osyo nga. Alay. Toklang mongo. Singusap. Who's there here? Semua aku siapa? Singgo shopping. Kasi
The last of them can't have gotten far.
I think they're gone. See? Our friends. They're gone too. I'm so sorry. It was an ambush. Somehow Prototype's hunters knew we'd be here. We need to call Ollie and... It wasn't supposed to be like this. I'm supposed to be... Hey, I'm here for you. I feel it too. Let's be scared together. You and me. I hold on to you, and you hold on to me. Just like always. Let's just wait it out a few more minutes. Until we know it's safe.
Di pakaktak po ni Pauka kami ah. Papapapap. Est. Wow, wow. Who's this? Where are you? Hi. Kick movie. You serve. I'm a stronger. I'm a smarter. Bye bye. Asama ako sa kaunang gindam. Peekaboo! Samskawak si dangin ako so kami sulsawak kinakinak sugu. Ginang. No windows. Where is the teddy bear? This. Oh. Teddy bear, where are you? Upstairs. Sa pinggan na masisusuang niya sa katakpo nga. Naman na siya. Kunwari kaktakas. Alam eh. Alam matok ka. Kasi takamong ka. No secrets. Something's okay. How about this? Ooh. Over here. Knob bidiyak. Peekaboo. Come back, my dude. Where are you going? I cannot see you. What are you doing? No teddy bear? Why? Okay. Blah 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 blah. Close the door. Is a super rock zoals open up. Maybe I will run. God damn it. Who is this? Sleepy time. Where is he, Jelly Bear? Jelly Bear, Jelly Bear. 혹시 nagkaroon kasi nakayong nakulat janak po. Teddy, where are you? Teddy? Imato ka di ba sa koktong inamis? Dawa hautun nak sa koktong na. I'm back. Okay. Masuk sa akak semua. Masuk. Teddy, where are you? Jelly bear?
Put a hole in their neck and bring them to the boilers for blood.
What you say? Where are you? Ghostbuster Yuga! Yay! What are you doing? I.
You alright? You're not... You're the one they've been talking about! The one who put Mommy in the grinder? Who gave the cat a nap? Down here, they're calling you the Playtime Butcher. What are you doing all the way down here? Is Poppy... I mean... You were with her, right? And the rest of them? Up at Safe Haven? I heard things. We can't stay here. I got a place. Just follow me.
Foxy ơi. Hey, Fox.
My name's Giblet. I knew Poppy back before... Well, before everything. Was she really gonna blow this place up? Her heart's always been in the right place, but that girl's been behind glass too long.
Something Jelly Bear, where are you? Sorry.
This way. Come on.
Just a moment, I need your Jelly Bear. Cause you don't need. Come back! Foxy! Foxy! Come back! Foxy!
No! You wouldn't come down here. Just find a place to hide. He doesn't usually come down here. You must have got him real worked up. This way.
빠질소라겠소. Nous attraper, Jelly Bear, Jelly Bear, Jelly Bear, Jelly Bear, Jelly Bear. This way, okay. Foxy nga nang mo yung nakak. Foxy mo kanito actually.
Yeah, I know it's not much, but who needs fancy murals on the wall and string lights or a barber shop or whatever? And I got plans anyway. I'm not gonna be down here forever. Look, I'm not the kind of guy who spends time feeling sorry for himself. I mean, the way I see it, everything's a tragedy until it's meant to be. You think this is an accident? You ending up down here like this? both of us wanted to kill the prototype? I mean, that's where this train is headed, right? I'm not some kind of hero, but I can help you. But we gotta get you outfitted first. You're not gonna last down here with just a cheap nightlight. Yeah, chirp all you want. I'm the one who scared off all those outables. Here. The boilers. Lots of gear got tossed down there after after it all went down. I'm pretty sure I saw an old grabber. I'll point you there. Just let me know when you caught your breath.
Up, kukunin yung sama, tama rin ma, kukunin yung sasunga, ba. Sujakak pidamani. Wow, ako masyado karumisyo.
That's just, it's nothing. That's just a piece of trash I found. Just, look. No way you're getting around without a grab pack. You should head to the boilers.
What dida? Nadura kayak su?
The Better Press, Issue 14 Burnt End's missing toy mystery solved. For years, we toys speculated about what happened to Gentle John, some daring to spread the lie that he and his Joyless fled our factory during the hour of joy. These rumors were put to rest Tuesday, when the burnt-up bodies of 23 toys were found in the Innovation Wing and confirmed to be the presumed defector. John refused to fight for us during the hour of joy. Spare no tears for him and the Joyless. There is no hope for us above, said our liberator, the prototype. A vigil will be held in Town Square this upcoming Joy Day. All are encouraged to attend. The first 10 attendees will be given special mourning stickers. Continued on page 2. Cannibal Doll OCAUST as food supplies run low. Rebel Toys and Safe Haven have been reportedly eating each other. It's way beyond salvaging from the Charnel pit, said a former rebel who didn't want to be named. The place stinks so bad of soggy plush and blood. It's super bad, though others deny the claims. It's widely known that Rebel Toy, Doey the Doman, has a big appetite and previously ate at least one of his parents. Continued on page 4. Don't get on the wrong side of these savings. 2-for-1 popsicles at the Jimmy's Food Barn.
Apa no satsariaro kussak cinta kulli. Name via mia. Mami?
Hey, don't mess with that. That's, personal.
Ido?
Documents Giblets checklist who I owe. Give it all back chum 2632 cans of food. Written off to the side. Dang it, chum. I keep telling ya to stop. I don't need charity. Boggy broken TVI notepad plus pennials. Written off to the side. Dead. Meech tarp I searing off the gutter plush. Written off to the side. Dead. Stupid slurp. Diz that nod on textbook about connecting light fixtures. Written off to the side. Dead. Another one dead. Ziggy 2x favors. Written off to the side. For news slips Gabby 3x favors. Written off to the side for the updates. Tib, a jug of water roach, a bottle of wound cream doughy for that thing he did that one time. Written off to the side. Rest easy, big guy.
Thank you. Pasna. Si tama kisitseriarlungu naaniartaarappuqa sitseqinasinas no pisinarlaqsmassi tamasipaatalluun takus bye bye.